Hey there, Lincoln here from BoAcademy.org. On this channel, we break down investing topics to make it easier for all of us to understand how to invest and build wealth for the future. But every month, we want to take some time to appreciate all of you for supporting the channel, especially our patrons. So every month, we give away $200 to our community members for supporting the channel and helping us grow. And our patrons over at patreon.boacademy.org always find out first and last. So these giveaways, while anyone from the community can join, they are mostly a way to show our patrons appreciation for supporting the channel and helping us grow. We've grown so fast since July 5th when I published my first video on Tattoo Chef Inc. And since then, we've reached over 4,800 subscribers and over 70 patrons in our first 4 months having a Patreon community. And those patrons are able to engage in our Discord channel where we share knowledge and discuss the stocks and specs that we're all invested in to help one another build our wealth together. So if you're new to this channel, check out our videos teaching how to invest, breaking down topics such as what stocks are, what stock warrants are, what are SPACs, what are SPAC warrants, and how do these deals come together, and what the risks are to warrants and investing as a whole. And we also discuss how to avoid the hype when investing in order to continue to practice the bull mentality and build wealth for the long term. The bull mentality is we know what we invest in, we understand what we invest in, we believe in what we invest in, and we hold for the long term because that's how we build wealth in this country. That's how we give ourselves the best chance at success on the stock market. So if you haven't checked out our videos yet, go check those out. But right now, let's take a look at the winners for the BoAcademy.org January 2021 giveaway of $200. Usually we choose two winners who get $100 each, but this month, to celebrate reaching 50 patrons faster than anticipated, we decided to do one bonus giveaway of $100 to another one of our community members. So let's take a look at all three of those winners. And of course, it's a random selection, so we're going to use a wheel of fortune. Let's look at the winners. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just shuffle this one time and maybe one more time. Okay, so we have 33 names. We had to disqualify one person because they did not fill out the form correctly, but everyone else, I believe, on this call is in. And yeah, everyone else is good. So most people filled it out correctly, and that's good. So I'm going to go ahead and spin this, and we'll see who gets the first. We're going to do two prizes of two giveaways of $100 each, and we'll see how this goes. Hopefully we get some diversity here. Here we go. First one. This is really Wheel of Fortune. Okay, let's see. Alexander Kareev. Congrats on winning $100 for January 2021. Our first of the year. Thanks for being a patron. I appreciate it. And I believe you're a premium patron, so I appreciate that even more. Really helping the channel grow and supporting the channel. So congrats again. Let's do the next one. Okay, spin. We hid Alexander. So next up, okay, here we go. We have, who is this? Rhonda Towns. We got second one. Congratulations, Rhonda. I appreciate you being a patron and supporting the channel, helping the channel grow. So I'm feeling generous for the new year. The patronage has grown a lot. So we're now at 72 patrons, which is far more than I expected. So we have a little bit of extra money to give away. So I'm gonna do one more just this month. So this month we're gonna do $300. So here we go. Let's do one more. And here we go. Wow, it's going crazy. Okay. Who is it? Rasmus Klaskus. Thank you. I appreciate your support, and I'm glad that you won. Congratulations. Unfortunately, no one on the call today won, but I appreciate you guys being here too and supporting the channel as well. You guys have been here for a while. Tom and Shane especially. Kyle, I know you're new, but I appreciate you being here too. And I wish you guys better luck next month. Okay, those are our winners for January 2021, Alexander, Rhonda, and Rasmus. I greatly appreciate each of you, if you're watching this right now, for being a patron of the community and helping the channel grow, keeping the channel running. You all, along with our other 68 patrons, are the sponsors of this channel. So again, thank you, and I hope that these winnings will help you continue to invest and build your wealth for the long term. And for everyone else out there, if you enjoyed this video or any of our other videos and you want to help the channel grow, get more access to me, get direct answers to your investment questions, and be a part of the community, then join us over at patreon.boacademy.org. You'll be able to engage in our Discord channel where we share knowledge and discuss the stocks and SPACs that we're all invested in, along with recent news on the markets. And you will have a chance at winning $200 every month just for being a loyal and engaged patron. And you will get merch such as stickers and mugs, and you'll be able to request a portfolio review from me, going through your portfolio, your top companies. And last but not least, you'll be able to engage with other investors to help you stay on track. So if you're interested in all of that, I hope to see you over at patreon.boacademy.org. I'm Lincoln with boacademy.org. Thank you again and have a great day.